Hey guys, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a mech. Super easy. This is all the stuff you need. A lot of goop, a lot of materials, you know. Alright, so first, you'll need to put on some goop onto a saddle. Put it going like less than 90 degrees. It'll look like this in the mirror. Yeah, I'm a mech. And then, you want to stick 2 pieces of goop on the top if you want to. You don't have to do this. Oh, where is it? Okay. And you want to grab this, stick it on there, grab another one, stick it on the other side. Oh, stick it on the other side. Now, the easy part, you're gonna make the mech arms. So you're gonna put 2 pieces of goop. By the way, this is inspired by Woody. So yeah, shout out to him. Then put a revolver on one side. And then a grappler on the other. And then you want to do that again with another one. That. Oh, a little closer. There we go. Then 2 more pieces of goop. Oh.
Justin?
What?
Might be cooked.
Why?
The ore of M, that's what I have.
What?
I have Mr. B.
Oh.
Money talks.
Alright, and now you have arms. Very easy. Alright, so that's just the arms and we have a lot of weight. And now we're gonna be making what's below it. So first you're gonna wanna need these. Forgot which way the backpack. Oh, it's gonna be facing. And you want to do that again with this one. Bro, what are you What are you laughing at?
He was trying to talk to his Wi-Fi and the mic blew up.
How is that funny?
I don't know, it's something.
And then you want to stick a fan to the other side. And then I think you're done. Seems pretty good. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna put on your mech. Boom. Then you wanna grab look. I need to take off the goop. Put it on the bag. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I just ruined it. I need to put that on your back. Oh. It's a little bit like that. Nope, too high. Oh. Yeah, it's very hard to get it like right. Eventually you will. Oh, maybe I can do that. I don't know what's going on. Unless you want it like that, like you can peek through the hole, so you feel like you're an actual like mech. You can. But I don't like it like that. I need to see fully. I don't like to see like a robot. I like to see like a normal human being. That is a lot. That's good. Alright, now you want to stick that. No, you want to put oh, I grabbed the box. No, I'm ruining it. Oh, get that off of me. I'm ruining it. I ruined it. Let's just buy another saddle. Okay. Where is it? Ain't no way I keep on losing my saddles. Oh, I put it on my back. Oh, it was on my back. Okay. That's also literally. Then stick that to that. Then pick it up like that. Then you grab the backpack. Oh, I'm gonna grab the backpack. Now your other mech arm. And then, oh, I did it wrong on this one. Let's see. I'm gonna grab that. Oh. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna grab that, and then you have yourself a beautiful, charming mech. Oh, this is insane. Imagine going into a public lobby and just like waving this around. Hi guys. Yeah, but this is how I make the mech personally, but you can make it any other way. There is no specific way how to make it. I'm just giving a tutorial on how to make an easy one, because you know, some tutorials aren't really good out there, and just like skip to the part where they make the arms. What is this? But yeah. Oh, did I? No, I didn't. But anyways, that's it with today's video. It's a short one. I hope you enjoyed. And Trizzy VR out.